Hey guys, so we got another Guess What's in the Box video from Amazon. It's a pretty square box, kind of square or rectangle long, but please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so quick little Guess What's in the Box video. This box is 19 inches and a half an inch long. It is 14 inches and 1/8 of an inch wide, and it is only 3 inches and 1/4 of an inch wide. Let me know what you guys think is in the box. It could be related to the last videos, could very well be something totally different. Let me know what you guys think. Just a quick little video. Appreciate your guys' time. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links and my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a great day. Peace!